Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your Week 7 Screencast video. So, as I mentioned here in my announcement, it is Week 7 and it is drafting week. So, I want to encourage everybody to take a look at the schedule closely. Not only will the first draft and the posting of that first draft for the peer review process due on Tuesday, but we also have 2 peer reviews this week, along with a discussion board on Sunday about Chapter 5 and possible revisions there. So you want to make sure that you closely pay attention to the schedule for this week. Now, I want to take a moment and head over to discussion boards and just provide a quick overview of the peer review process. Let me get down to that. Peer review. It's relatively simple. The instructions are straightforward. Post your first draft along with your peer report for your initial thread, like you've done throughout the summer semester. So you want to answer the questions in this particular report in your initial post, and then upload the document, which would contain your very first draft. So make sure that everybody has access to that draft so they can read it and perform peer reviews. I will review the first drafts as quickly as I can and provide some of my input there, but more importantly, that'll be done outside of the peer review process. So, like I said, first draft and 2 peer reviews will be due by the end of the week. So I want to make sure that everybody is aware that we are coming to the end of the semester. Let me get back to my announcements. Okay. Week 7, week 8 is the wrap up for the final draft and closeout of the course. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.